Hi folks, good morning. So we are here at Vegan. So check natin yung lobby hotel na nabook ko via online. So yung amount ng room is 3,000 plus and ang nabook ko dito is 2 single bed. Actually deluxe po yung nabook natin with complimentary breakfast, good for two. So yung hotel wala siyang elevator, okay? But malakas ang wifi nila. Malakas din yung aircon sa baba. Okay? So, let's check po yung kanyang kwarto. So, located tayo sa second floor. Number 7 yung room. Okay. So, may free coffee. Ayan. And then, may mirror. At the same time, may 10 inches mattress single. Let's check po yung CR niya. So, yung CR niya is, yan, kumpleto naman. May toiletries, may hot and cold shower. At ayos na to sa mga traveler. Bye!